In this video, we're going to be learning how to find the IP address of any website using the host command. The host command helps you find information about domains and IP address. You can also find the domain name from just IP address only. You can find the mail servers and also the name servers. So let's see how to use the host command in our Kali Linux. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the terminal, and to use the host command, I will type host space the domain name that I want to find the IP address of. For example, I will type google.com, and as you can see, I get the IPv4 address of google.com, and I also get additional information like the name of the mail server. You can use the host command for any website. Suppose if I type host space the name of my website, I can see all the IP addresses that are associated with the domain hexzilla.com. You can also find information about the mail server with the command host space -t for type and mx. Mx stands for mail exchange, and specify the domain. This time I will do gmail.com, and I can see all the name of the mail servers. We can also do reverse DNS lookup by typing host space the IP address. This is the IP address of the Google DNS server, and I can see it is pointing to dns.google. Now let's see how to find information about the name servers. But before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with Kali Linux commands, then click the first link in the description box, and you will get the complete Kali Linux cheat sheet for beginners. This cheat sheet has all the commands that you need to become comfortable with the terminal. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet. So click the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. Now to find the name server of any domain, type the command host space -t for type space ns and the domain name. I can see all the name servers that are associated with facebook.com. You can also query a domain with a DNS server of your own choosing. So right now by default, I'm using my local DNS server, but to query with Google DNS server, I will type host, the domain name, and the IP address of the DNS server, which in this case I'm typing the Google DNS server. And as you can see, this is the IP of my DNS server, and my address is my IP plus port 53, because we know that DNS is on port 53. And with Google's DNS server, this is the IPv4 address of Facebook, this is the IPv6 address, and this is the name of the mail server. And lastly, you can also find all types of records that are associated with a domain. So type host space -a for all and your domain name. And now as you can see, in the question section, I asked to give me any types of record that are associated with facebook.com, and in the answer section, I get different record types like the A record, which is the IPv4 address, the name servers, the HTTPS information, and in the additional section, I get the name of the name servers with their IP address. You can know more about how the host command works by typing man space host and press enter. This is the manual page, so if you want more information, check this page out. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.